Brazil, Reynosa. Residents of Reynosa were left astonished as an unexpected hailstorm swept through their city, adding to the already captivating blend of bizarre and alarming news stories from Mexico. In a peculiar turn of events, a hailstorm descended upon Reynosa, catching the locals completely off guard and wreaking havoc in its icy aftermath. Accompanied by heavy rainfall, this tempest unleashed a barrage of hailstones, transforming the streets into a chaotic mosaic of cold devastation. Homes were damaged, and cars were mercilessly battered by the unforgiving ice pellets. To compound the situation, the storm also caused widespread power outages in several neighborhoods, enveloping residents in darkness and a sense of bewildered astonishment. Given the immense force of this hailstorm, local authorities issued urgent warnings, urging people to prioritize their safety by refraining from venturing outdoors and seeking shelter from the ferocious onslaught of large, merciless hailstones.